Welcome friends, I am Urmila Dulgude. Now this lesson is for 4th standard and this is a craft time today. So we are going to learn a tri-color batch, simple and interesting activity. So without wasting time in talking, we directly come to the practical. So come with me. So see friends, page number 19, tri-color batch. This is what we will make now today. So we need some things for that. So let's read. All the things are given in this yellow patch. So let's read one by one. Orange, green and white square sheets of paper, 3 of each. So we need 3 squares of each color. Then second one, white circular cutouts, and they are also 2 in number. One is Ashok Chakra drawn and one is blank. So we need total 2 circles here, white, and the more one, white circular piece of paper. It is a small circular piece of paper. Then a big safety pin and glue. Okay, and all these things are given already in your book in the back side. So find out there, then take it out. See here we have 1 2 3 white what is that, square cutouts, then again white circular cutouts. Here one is already drawn with a Ashok Chakra, and same thing is in this. So use any side. Here we have 1 2 3 1 2 3 green and which color is this? Orange, saffron we can call it. These are our tricolor batch we are going to do. Now let's read the first step, what to do for that. So simple, cut all the cutouts first. So let's do it. To take a seat. First separate them well. It is the easiest way. And then try to get the proper outlines. Okay, this way we have to cut this page also. We separate all the cutouts. Now try to get the proper outline one by one in this way. So use the scissors always carefully. Here we have 2 lines. When we watch the cutout, here dotted line also and plain line also. So consider a dotted line or a outer line, no problem at all. Understand? So consider dotted line, no problem. Consider this plain line. Both are correct. when we use the outer line we get big one, and when we use the inner dotted line we get a small square. This much difference only. In this way, cut all the cutouts. See friends, in this way we get 3 square sheet papers of white, again 3 green, again 3 orange, then 2 circular cutouts, Ashok Chakra drawn on one circle and one is clear white, in this way. Okay, and this one a rectangular piece of paper, then this safety pin, and we have here glue. So let's start the activity. For that, read the step 1. Fold the white square piece of paper into half diagonally. So take one white sheet of paper. So diagonally means what? We have square has 2 diagonals. So fold like this into half, this way, properly, slowly, comparing the corners. In this way, fold white square piece of paper into half diagonally. We do it. And again open it as shown in this first picture. Now fold opposite corners to the center to form 2 triangles. So diagonal means a center line here. So fold 2 corners, opposite corners we have here like this. And consider this middle line, folding line. This is middle line, this middle line. This much. So touch this corner to this line in this way and fold the paper properly. Do the same in the opposite direction. Okay, in this manner. Understand? Now fold this into half again. So consider again the middle line of diagonal up to this. So we have here diagonal line already. This way. Okay, see, watch this picture. This picture is look like this. What to do now? Now we have to fold it back side like this. Okay, and then bend it in this way. It's again one fold and stick these 2 sides. So we get a picture like this in this way. So watch it carefully, this way we get the picture. Again let's try one more paper. Okay, well, we have this paper. So fold this paper diagonally. This way. Okay, so open it again. We get clear middle diagonal. Then we have here corners, opposite corners in the middle line. So join two corners like this, fold them one by one. So do the first one first. And then the second one. This way. So again fold it. The paper is rough, so do it carefully. The same on the other side. Okay, this step. So turn it back. So we do this, turn it back only. Simple, very simple. Then take one more fold in the middle here. Understand? And then join these two parts. So for that use a glue. This way. The paper is rough, so wait for some time. Keep it in your hand like this. Now remove. Again we get the same portion like this. Understand? So do all the papers. Well, take one more. Again watch the activity properly. See, this is our square shape. So you no need to keep this white border here. You can cut this white border, no problem. I purposely keep it so that it looks nice. So that's why. But no need to keep this white outline because our tricolor don't have any border. But this is an activity and we use that basic shape of tricolor as a design for our batch only. So we can use the border there because we take it as a design. That's why. No mistake. Again join the corners properly and take one fold like this. Open it again. We get a diagonal here. Now this way fold the corners, one and the opposite one also. This way. Now the portion look like this. Now in the middle we have to fold it. It is very difficult, so fold like this first and get a line. Open it, so it is easy to fold it on that line in this way. It's easier. Okay, this step is not given here, this much only. Again fold it back, and again fold it in the middle properly, and then join these two parts using our glue. So I think you get it how to fold and how many folds are there. So in this way do all these remaining squares. So press little. Okay, we get 1 2 3. In this way we have to do remaining 2 of white, 2 of green, and 2 of this orange color. Okay, so let's start, don't waste time.